Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to the start new chapter. The chapter name is cell structure and organization. Friends, you know all living organism is made of cells. Plants, animals, even microorganism, all living organism made of cells. What is meant by cell? What is the definition of cell? Cell can be defined as structural and functional unit of living organism. Cell is a basic fundamental unit of life. Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism except viruses. Students, you can see here the definition of cell. Cell is Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism except viruses. Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism. Structural and functional unit of living organism except viruses. I said here except viruses because virus is not living organism. Virus is not living organism because they cannot grow without cells. They cannot increase their number without cells. That's why virus is not living organism. Firstly, cell observed by Robert Hooke in 1665. Firstly, cell observed by Robert Hooke in 1665. He had taken up bark of cork plant and observed to the microscope. And at that time, he saw compartment-like structure. He saw compartment-like structure. He gave to the name of the structure cellula. He gave to the name of the structure cellula. Cellula is a Greek word. Cellula means cell. Cellula means cell. Then, firstly, live cells observed by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Firstly, live cells observed by Anton van Leeuwenhoek in 1673 to 74. Friends, Anton van Leeuwenhoek is a Dutch businessman. He purchased compound microscope and he has firstly observed live cells under to the compound microscope such as RBCs, human sperm, bacteria, etc. Anton von Leeuwenhoek firstly observed live cells under to the compound microscope such as RBCs, human sperm, bacteria, etc. Students, cells found in a different shape such as a spherical, rectangular, oval, polygonal, columnar, spiral, irregular. Cell is found in the different shape. It is depend upon the species to species. It is a various species to species. Now we will see the shape of cell. Shape of cell. Spherical means rounded shape. Rounded shape. Then rectangular means rectangle shape. Cells found in polygonal shapes. Polygonal means these shapes have a different edges. Polygonal shape. This shape is known as a polygonal shape. Oval shape. Oval shape means egg shape. Egg shape. Then cell found in columnar shape. Columnar shape means column like. Cells found in spiral shape. Spiral shape means spring like shape. This shape is called as a spiral shape. Cell found in irregular in shape. Irregular in shape, like as a amoeba. Is a irregular in shape. The cell found in the different type of shape. The shape of cell depend upon the species. The spherical shape means rounded shape. Rectangular means rectangle shape. Polygonal means poly shape of the cell. Oval shape means egg shape. Columnar shape means found in the columns. Then spiral shape means like as a spring. And last is a cell found in the irregular in shape means amoeba shape. Amoeba found in the irregular shape. Now we will see size of cell. Size of cell. Size of cell is depend upon the species to species, depend upon the organism. Smallest cell is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest cells. It is a form of Monera. It is a form of bacteria. It is measuring about 0.3 millimeter in length. Then bacterial cells. Bacterial cell. Size of the bacterial cell is 3 to 5 mu in meter. It is measuring about 3 to 5 millimeter in length. Then largest cell. Largest cell is a ostrich egg. Ostrich egg is the largest cells. It is measuring about 15 centimeter in length. 15 centimeter in length. And fourth one is a longest cell. Longest cell of human body is nerve cells. Means neurons. Nerve cell is the longest cell of the human body. It is a size of cells. Students, you know, during to the research of microorganism. During to the study of microorganism used to the different type of microscope. The above this is first one is a simple microscope. Now we will see magnification power of microscope. Magnification power of microscope. Friends, different type of microscope used during to the research, during to the practical work. Above this, first one is a simple microscope. Simple microscope. Image can be magnified under to the simple microscope is 50 to 100 times clear as compared to the real image. Image can be magnified under to the simple microscope 50 to 100 times clear as compared to the real image. Second microscope is compound microscope. Compound microscope. Image can be magnified under to the compound microscope 1000 times clear as compared to the real image. Image can be magnified under to the compound microscope 1000 times as compared to the real image. And last one is a electron microscope. Electron microscope. Image can be magnified under to the electron microscope is 5 lakhs times as compared to the real image. This is a magnification power of microscope. Friends, in this lecture we have studied about general information about cell. Thank you.